Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I've got a new kit out, and this is Noah's Ark. So I'm going to show you the pages. This is the main kit, and this would make the body of your journal. It can make about a 60-page journal, and there's 17 pages, but some of them I made to cut apart and put on the back side, so 60 plus we'll say. So here's the first page. I used a lot of old drawings and paintings, historical paintings, and my old family Bible that's from the 1800s I put with it. Let me get my system here. Drawing of the building of the ark, not drawing, it's a painting, and a painting of the animals coming to the ark, and a drawing of the animals going up the ramp, and then here's another drawing of the ark, and another painting, this is gorgeous, of him having the animals go up into the ark. Great detail in that. And then we have the water, and I did 3 full-page paintings of, I didn't paint them, but I found these old master paintings of water to be in there to symbolize what it must have been like, in the world. And there are lines in this. This is from the actual painting, the print. It's not, don't think your printer's messing up when you see these lines, because that's part of the artwork. So. And then we have this. We finish off with the rain is lifting and ceasing, and land is showing back up. And then we have Noah when he comes off the ark. And then here's another drawing of the animals leaving the ark. Here's a really cool painting I found. Here's the ark up here, and the animals are coming down. Lots of detail, lots of different animals. It's really cool. And then the rainbow. I've got several paintings of rainbows to let you put that part of the story together. Here's some more with the animals coming down from the mountain. Here's another painting where he makes the offering when they all get off. There's the ark up here, and the rainbow, and then his sons and daughter-in-law and wife. And then these are 2 pages that I'm going to cut them apart and put them on the back side of the water. So that's the main kit, which, by the way, that night painting of the water is so pretty, I think. And then we have the add-on kit. So I did a lot of animals. So instead of making tags, they would have taken up more room. And so I thought, to get more animals to you, this way you can cut them up and you can either turn them into tags, or you can just keep them as cards, however you want to use them. I thought I can get more to you if I do it this way. So I left them that way. And here's some more. Polar bear, kangaroo, giraffe, elephant, lion, emu, llama, rhinoceros, tiger, wolves, horses, chickens, pigs. Of course, I couldn't do every animal, but now here's an old painting. You can see that it's kind of coming, the pigment's leaving, and it's cracked and damaged, but I think that looks so cool. And so this is going to be a folio for me. That's what I'm going to do with it. And I just saw this this horse. Yeah, he's relieving himself there as he got off the ark. I did not see that before now. Okay, now here's some, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 pockets. And it has that antique Bible of Noah's story behind it. And then here are 3 scriptures from the story And remember now, the add-on kit, you can either get it in King James Version or you can get the New American Standard Version. So be sure you choose the one that you want. And then this is going to be a small little folio that I stick on the side. And then here are 2 cards. Great artwork that I found of Noah's Ark. The animals. Here's tickets to Noah's Ark, admit 1. And if you'll notice, I figured Noah and his wife were the hosts, so to speak. And so here's the tickets for the 3 boys and their wives. And they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all there is. And here is 3 more. Well, here's 2 more cards, and then some fussy cut monkeys that you can cut out. What are those things? They are Ursine sloth, it says down here in the fine print. Hippopotamuses. And then this I'm going to use to make pockets on the inside. And then I have my 4-flap box fold that I do a lot. And it's got scenes from the Ark. And then the verse that it highlights, it says, I establish my covenant with you, and all flesh shall never again be eliminated by the waters of a flood, nor shall there again be a flood to destroy the earth. And so that's another piece of it. And then here's your pockets. He says verses from that antique Bible about Noah. And then there's the other pockets. Then here are your altered paper clips. So we've got a pair of donkeys, deer, goats, leopards, rabbits, chickens, lions, and camels. And then we have 6 tags with more of the story, different verses. And then we have a little folio that I'm going to make, and here's a pocket to go inside of it. This is to make a notepad, and then we have 3 little name cards for the sons, and then 2 more tags with scriptures. Then we have another little side folio that we're going to make with pockets. And then we have a pop-up. We're going to make a Noah's Ark pop-up. It's going to come out, stick out from this page. So I will be doing, of course, all the videos on how to make this pretty soon. I will begin pretty quickly. But I just wanted to get these on here real quick and show you what the pages were and kind of talk through them. So I hope you like it, and you will see me real soon making this journal. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.